Hi there. Are you looking for inspiration to spruce up your home? Look no further, because today we are going to explore some home designing ideas that will surely elevate your living space. From color schemes to furniture, we've got you covered. Color schemes. The first thing to consider when designing your home is the color scheme. A well-coordinated color scheme can really tie a room together. One idea is to use a neutral base color such as white, beige, or gray, and then add pops of color throughout the room. For example, if you have a white living room, you can add blue throw pillows, a yellow accent chair, and a red rug. Another idea is to use a monochromatic color scheme where you use different shades of the same color. This can create a harmonious and soothing effect in the room. Scene 2, Furniture. Next up is furniture. Your furniture should not only look good but also be functional. A popular trend right now is multifunctional furniture. For example, a coffee table that can also be used as a storage space or a sofa bed that can also be used as a guest bed. Another trend is modular furniture that can be easily moved and rearranged to fit different spaces. When it comes to furniture, don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and textures to create a unique look. Lighting is an essential aspect of home design. It can make or break the atmosphere in a room. One idea is to use different types of lighting to create different moods. For example, you can use dimmer switches to adjust the brightness of your lights or use accent lighting to highlight specific areas of the room. Another idea is to use natural lighting by adding large windows or skylights to bring in more light and create a brighter, more open space. Wall art is a great way to add personality and character to a room. You can choose from a variety of options such as paintings, photographs, or even tapestries. When choosing wall art, consider the size of the room and the style of the furniture. A large painting may overpower a small room, while a small piece of art may get lost in a large room. Another idea is to create a gallery wall by grouping several pieces of art together to create a focal point. Conclusion: there you have it, some home designing ideas to help you elevate your living space. Remember to have fun and experiment with different ideas to create a space that truly reflects your personality and style.